Earl Grey, hot.
It's Captain Picard!
Ensign, are you an engineer?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Can you fix this replicator?
Of course I can, because I'm an engineer, remember? All right, let me figure this out. I guess I just push this button over here. Yeah, that seems about right. Okay, there we go, that's lighting up. Yeah, I'm doing this! All right, Cap, you're all set.
Tea, Earl Grey, hot.
Uh-oh, that wasn't supposed to happen.
Sophie.
Sophie, the alarm. Sophie, you forgot to turn off your alarm for school.
Too much cheese.
I don't even want to know what she's dreaming about. But I am gonna turn off this alarm.
Hey, who touched my phone?
Sorry, but your alarm has been going off all morning. You should really turn it off during the summer if you don't need to get up.
Sorry. What time is it anyway? 8 o'clock? On a Tuesday? In the summer? Why am I up?
You can come to the barn with me. I always need help cleaning stalls.
Yeah, 'cause that's how I want to spend my summer vacation. Cleaning stalls. Chloe, the dog needs to go out.
Sophie, you're gonna have to do it. I'm in the bathroom.
Ah. Okay, Wallaby. I'm coming.
I guess you can tell Sophie's been in here. There's toothpaste everywhere. How about a little music? Chloe's summer playlist at number 3.
It is too early to be awake. Normal people don't wake up this early in the summer.
Hello, Sophie.
Naveen? What are you doing here?
I jog by here every morning. You jog?
No, I don't. I'm just out walking the dog.
Oh, that would explain the clothes and the hair.
Bye, Naveen.
All right, see you around. Have a good morning.
Where did that dog go? Wallaby! What's that in the bushes? Wallaby, is that you? Come out now. Whoa, that's a tiger. Gotta go. Wallaby! Chloe, get out here now!
Huh? Just a second, Sophie. Looking good.
Chloe!
Oh yeah, right, coming. What is it, Sophie?
You will never guess what I just saw.
Not this again.
What?
Yesterday, you claimed to have seen a unicorn monkey.
Correction, Unimonkey.
Whatever. And the day before that, it was a flying saucer.
I did see the Unimonkey, and I might have dreamt the flying saucer, but today I saw a tiger.
A tiger. In Darbyville.
Yes! Outside!
Okay, Sophie. I'm going to get breakfast.
And I'm going back to bed, because the Dollyverse is a crazy place. I might as well watch a little YouTube. Oh wow, Jade has posted a new video. Welcome to the Jade Show! We have something really special planned today! We are at the pool, and I filled it with gummy bears! Oh wow, Jade, this is just crazy! What have you done? Did I say my lines right? Perfect, Jenna. That's right! I am going to be the first person in the Dollyverse to go swimming in gummy bears.
This has to be one of the craziest things I have ever seen.
Bathing suit, check. Goggles, check. Now to the diving board. Nope, Jade, that's not a good idea. Good call. I'm just gonna jump in. Just testing the waters. Hey, I think we put so many gummy bears in the pool, I might be able to walk on it. Walk on gummy bears? Jade, you are so ahead of your time. All right, here I go. That's not so bad. Hey, everybody, I'm walking and whoa! Okay, so I can't walk on gummy bears, but I can float on them. Look, I'm swimming. Woohoo!
Wow.
Hey, Grandma.
Good morning, sweetheart. Now tell me, what do you have planned for today?
I was just gonna grab a bowl of cereal and then go do my chores at the barn.
Cereal? Oh, I can do better than that. I'm whipping up my famous banana bread muffins.
That sounds great. When will they be ready?
In about 30 minutes.
Well, I'm gonna run to the barn first and do my chores before breakfast. Grandma's banana muffins are the best.
Aww, puppy videos. I don't know why this is so adorable, but I could watch it all day.
Good morning, Spirit. Let's get you outside so I can clean your stall. Oh, wow. This is a mess.
I call this unicorn poop slime. It has a very fluffy texture. Look at all the sparkles. We have lots of stars and glitter. It's just amazing.
Slime videos. Classic.
Whoa, what's that smell? Is that you?
Oh, I better go brush my teeth.
Finish my chores in record time. Cam will be here around lunch to let the horses in. So yeah, I'm done for a while. And the muffins won't be ready for another 15 minutes.
Maybe I should make my own video today. A little Star Stable gameplay. I'm Sophie Darbie, also known as Sophia Frog Song, and welcome to another Star Stable. Oh wow, it's still dark in Jorvik. But I am here looking for some new horses. I heard they have magical horses. And that's right. Do you see them? These pretty new ponies are shaped like trees? Okay, I can handle the tree thing. And wait, what? Chloe? Is that Chloe? I thought she said she was at the barn. How is she playing video games? Gonna walk over there and see what she's doing. Chloe! Chloe!
Uh-oh, Sophie just saw me. Oh well, might as well buy a pretty horse.
Well, I'm gonna buy this one. What? I just bought the same horse. Chloe, you just bought my horse? That's it. I'm done. Besides, I think I smell banana muffins. Grandma, you made breakfast?
Sure did. I made my famous muffins. Help yourself, baby, but leave some for your sister.
The muffins are ready.
Best morning ever. We want to give a shout out to Gabby's Adventures. What's up? Chloe, do you mind taking the dog out? I'm trying to get dressed.
Okay, come on, Wallaby. What is it, boy? A unimonkey? Wow, Sophie was telling the truth.